Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to open Gmail in laptop. So basic way guys to open Gmail in laptop, open any browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge and just search here Gmail login. So type Gmail login and press enter. Now here guys you will see this option sign in Google account. Click on this link and enter your email and password. So this is the video guys to learn how to open Gmail in laptop. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.